Hello and welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. This week we are building set number 40573. It's the Christmas tree, and that is what we will do today. It comes with 784 pieces, and I think there's going to be a fair bit of repetition in this. So not sure how long it's going to take as a result of that. It could be a quick build, but really not sure. So we'll find out. Anyway, I'm doing the full length tree because this is a 2-in-1 where you can separate it into two smaller trees. But I am interested to see how large this tree is in its entirety. So that's what we're going to do. It will be a speed build as always. And then we'll come back. I'll do a review. And then, because today is Sunday the 27th, I will have the tree ready for the 1st of December. Hope you can join me. Welcome back. Here we are with the final product. And how does it look? I am a little bit surprised. I thought this was going to be slightly taller, although maybe not much taller. The other thing I was really surprised about was the number of pieces left over. So I did the single build. I didn't do the two individual trees. I did the single large tree. But look at all the pieces left over, which would be used to in the two builds of the trees. So not sure what I'll do with these pieces. Hopefully I can make something to go along with the Christmas theme to utilize those pieces. But the tree itself, this was over an hour build. This took nearly an hour and 10 minutes, just over an hour and 5. There is a little bit of playability here with the tree that spins on top here, which is nice, a nice little feature. I'm sure there would be a way to make that happen, automate it, if you have the right pieces to do that. There are 784 pieces in this build, and a lot of them are small pieces, starting from the base and going right through. A lot of small pieces. All these, we'll call them dots, all these dots, these 1x1s, small pieces. There's really quite a number of them, and they take a long time to lay down, but it does give that effect. The other thing which I struggled with a little bit was the alignment. Now, I'm not sure how well you'll see this, but if you didn't, well, in my case, if you didn't lay these 1x1 round flat pieces and 1x1 round studded pieces in the correct way, it meant that the piece on top would not align correctly to the piece underneath. So I had a lot of trouble, especially with the candles here, and getting them to align correctly. So just a heads up with that. If you haven't done this build yet. It is a good build. I did enjoy it. Although I did work up a bit of a sweat, but that's because it's a hot day here as well. So I'll put that back on, see if I can get, there we are. So all in all, I do like the build. I'm pleased I've got it. Took a long time, so I'm not going to pull it apart and do it every year. Way too fiddly to do that each year, so I'll have to pack it up and put it away securely so I don't lose the pieces. But apart from that, I'm pleased I've got it. I do like it, and I'm pleased I'm going to have it out ready for the 1st of December. So with that in mind, I probably won't do the wreath on camera. I probably won't do the Santa's visit on camera, but that's all right because I'm going to start on the 1st with the Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Special Advent Calendar. So there we have it. Hope you enjoyed that. A little bit longer than normal because it was over an hour build, but that's all right. So hopefully you can join me come the 1st of December for the Advent Calendar builds, which will happen daily, and through to Christmas. Then I'll probably take a short break over the Christmas New Year period and then back into the builds. So thanks for joining me this year. Hope you've enjoyed these builds. Hope you continue to enjoy these builds, and I will see you soon.